Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make sauerkraut easy, only ways. Pack shredded cabbage with 2% salt by weight, then press firmly to expel liquid. Use a clean jar and wait to keep cabbage submerged beneath the brine. Check daily for bubbles and press down if needed. Ferment at room temperature until tangy, then refrigerate to slow fermentation and enjoy crisp, probiotic-rich kraut. In this video, I will show how to make sauerkraut easy, only way. Start by weighing cabbage and calculating 2% salt so your ferment stays balanced and safe. Use coarse salt that dissolves slowly and avoids additives that can discolor or inhibit fermentation. Press cabbage tightly into your vessel and use a weight to keep everything under brine. Taste after a week and refrigerate when it reaches your preferred tang. In this video, I will show how to make sauerkraut easy, only way. Keep your jar in a cool, stable spot between 60 and 75 degrees Fahrenheit for steady, flavorful fermentation. Taste every few days to monitor tang and texture, and stop fermenting when it matches your preference. Experiment with small additions like caraway, juniper, or grated carrot to layer flavors without complicating the
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.